I'm going to show you how to use and sell anything on the Facebook Marketplace app. So we all know about Facebook. Facebook has a built-in marketplace where you can buy or sell things. And in this video, I'm going to show you how not only to sell on Facebook Marketplace, but how to make $100 a day selling on the app. If you're familiar with things like eBay or Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace kind of works the same way. So let's jump right in. Tap the hamburger menu, then tap Marketplace on mobile. Now make sure to update the city that you're in to get an accurate listing. Tap the Categories tab and select the category based on what items you're interested in. Now tap the search bar and enter in local listings. So once you found an item that you're interested in, there are two ways to connect with the seller. You can contact the seller over Messenger to inquire more about the item, or if you're prepared to buy, you can select the Send Offer button and select how much you're willing to pay for the item. Always keep in mind that some prices listed in the headline may not be the actual price the seller wants. Some sellers will put free or very low prices to entice the viewer to click on their post. Make sure to scroll down to the description for any further details or discrepancies in price. Marketplace is not a platform for exchanging payment, so make sure not to provide any personal or payment information over Messenger. Tap Create New Listing, then select Items. You will be promoted to select one of the 4 categories for the items or services you wish to sell. Click Add Photos to upload a photo of your item from your photo library. Facebook prefers original product pictures rather than stock or company photos. Enter the relevant information for accurate details about your item. To mark an item as free, you can enter in 0 as the price. Once all required fields have been filled out, click Next. Click Publish to post your marketplace listing. Just a reminder, be sure not to put any false or misleading information, or Facebook can remove your listing. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.